to the Downtown Brew-Fest right here in downtown Wilmington, Delaware. I'm Kaitlyn, and we are standing in front of the Delaware Cadillac Tent, right next to Joe Van Horn, who, go ahead, you can introduce yourself.
Hi, how you doing? Joe Van Horn, owner of Chelsea Tavern and organizer of the Downtown Brew-Fest, along with Delaware Cadillac, the city of Wilmington, and several other sponsors. We put this on every year, the second Saturday in August. If you're not here this year, I want to see you next year.
Get here right now. It's an amazing time. There's tons. How many brew vendors are there?
52 breweries, 2 wineries, a meadery, 3 cideries, non-alcoholic beverages. We have a little bit of everything. So if you don't like beer, that's not an excuse. We go until 7 tonight. So if you don't have a ticket, you can buy them at the door. Get your butts down here.
And you can come check out the all-new 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ. We have one right here, and you can sign up to win for your chance to win a free detail. And I am going to be involved in helping detail the car. I'm not doing the whole thing, but I'm helping doing a little bit of it. So come down, enter to win, check out the LYRIQ, grab some brews, and have a great time. I'm here at the Downtown Brew-Fest at the Restore the King tent. And tell me who you are and what you guys are all about.
Yes, so we are Restore the King. We are looking to restore a 11-foot statue that weighed 1 ton that used to exist on top of a brewery in downtown Wilmington.
What?
So 95 now cuts through.
No way.
Where this amazing complex used to sit. And so like Humpty Dumpty, he was broken at one point in the 60s into all these pieces.
Aww.
So we're looking to put basically Humpty Dumpty back together again and restore the king to his former glory.
Amazing. Now, will you be utilizing the pieces from the original statue in this new... Wow.
So great question. Yeah, so we did a 3D scan.
Okay.
Just last year, utilizing someone at the University of Delaware, a grad student, and they basically took a nice scan of him and pointed out the pieces that were missing.
Wow.
So we can put them back together and we can make these amazing 3D models and hopefully larger ones at some point.
Oh, that is so awesome. And I guess cheers to that.
One beer at a time.
Here at the Downtown Brew-Fest, we are at the Dewey Crush tent. So this is Dewey Crush, and I'm here with, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hey there, I'm Taylor.
And tell us a little bit about Dewey Crush.
So Dewey Crush is Delaware owned. We are inspired by the famous Starboard Crushes down in Dewey Beach, Delaware. 7.5% for the regular, 4.5% for the skinny.
Oh my gosh.
So it's vodka and juice. It's not a seltzer, which is nice.
Gotcha.
Yep.
So it's not carbonated.
Not, yep.
Like that. All right, so how many calories is in the skinny one?
So the skinny goes for 130 calories.
All right, I'll take it.
Yes.
That sounds pretty good. And you've tried it?
It's very good. It's best over ice.
All right. Hey everyone, I'm here with Sam, and she's from Brickworks Brewing and Eats. So Sam, tell us a little bit about your company.
Sure, so Brickworks is a brew pub. We have 2 locations in Smyrna and Long Neck. We make all of our beer on site. We distribute throughout Delaware, and we also have a scratch kitchen of really fun food that we switch up every season, and we try to source all of our ingredients locally.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And how long have you guys been in business?
We opened our Smyrna location in 2016, so 7 years there, and I think 5 years in Long Neck.
And how have you liked being involved in the Brew-Fest so far?
Oh, I love it. I love seeing all of our brewing friends out here, and like coming up in a new market and hanging out with new people is always great.
Yeah, it seems like a really fun community to be a part of.
Super fun day.
Awesome. Well, thanks for being involved.
Of course. Thanks for stopping by.
Here at the Downtown Brew-Fest, listening to the Flying Komorowski Brothers and hanging out in the all-new, all-electric 2023 Cadillac LYRIQ. This vehicle does not disappoint. If you want to find out all of the features and benefits that this vehicle has to offer, check out our full-length walk-around video on YouTube. And also, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications because we have an XT4 Cadillac walk-around video coming out soon.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for attending. We are very proud to be here and sponsor the 4th annual Downtown Wilmington Brew-Fest. Delaware Cadillac and Delaware Motor Sales has been in business since 1917. We have a historical place And not enough human beings outside of this little beautiful city know what great offerings and what great history is here in Wilmington. So we thank you for being part of the event, Joe and Elvis and the Chelsea Tavern. And ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Frankie Goes to Dollywood.
I can see the sound of where I'm standing.
I got to the party late, Kaitlyn, but I made it.
Well, welcome.
Thank you. You've been holding up the fort. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here with Elvis. Elvis is Joe Van Horn's business partner for the Chelsea, and you guys have been together for 13 years?
That's correct. Chelsea Tavern has been open for 13 years. This is our 4th consecutive year after the pandemic doing the Downtown Brew-Fest, brought to you by Cadillac Delaware. So this is our 1st year back, but it's technically 4 years in a row doing this event.
Now, the first face that I met when I came to the Chelsea was this guy.
Thank you, thank you.
Elvis and I have had a budding friendship ever since we met about 4 years ago.
Correct, right in the pandemic, around the pandemic time.
And we always stayed in touch, and he's been harping on me and said we're going to do something together. And I am so glad to be here celebrating this and being a part of the charity. It's just thank you, Elvis.
Yeah, so we do this event, and we decided to partner up with Delaware Cadillac, which they're on 12th Street. This event is to restore the king, Gambrinus. It's a really good event because we provide for the charity, and then we do an event for the city. There's family friendly, so it was just a good partnership between Chelsea and Delaware Cadillac. Again, thank you for the support. We really appreciate it. It's an honor to have both of you here.
Elvis, thank you. And I got one more question. Do you guys serve turkey bacon at the Chelsea?
We do serve turkey and bacon. We sell both, turkey bacon.
We're gonna keep enjoying it. But Elvis, thank you. I really appreciate it, brother.
Delaware Cadillac, Downtown Brew-Fest 2024. Look out for the tickets. Christmas, we're doing a pre-sale. Check us out. Chelsea Tavern will always open until 1, as somebody knows.
That's right.
1 a.m.
He's open late for me. Chelsea Tavern, you got to eat there. The food's great. The people are amazing.
Thank you. 821 North Market Street, Delaware. Chelsea Tavern. Check us out.
You could do this. It's going to take a few. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Kaitlyn's been here all day, but it's not like I was at the movies. I was selling cars. Somebody's got to pay the bills. The Friends of Delaware's Gambrinus statue, be a part to restore the king. We are proud to sponsor the 4th annual Downtown Wilmington Brew-Fest. Delaware Cadillac and Auto Team Delaware. Mike and Marilyn have owned it for over 41 years. And as we further and continue to, they've been doing it for years, but as we continue to integrate with all aspects of the community that we possibly can, we're proud to be here with restaurants like the Chelsea that are locally owned and operated. Be good to the businesses of Wilmington. They've been good to us, they'll be good to you. There's a lot of beautiful aspects of this city that, as I said on stage, not enough people know about. We try and bring it all to you. And of course, #1 Cadillac dealer in the Philadelphia district. Also right here in sunshiny, well, a little cloudy at the moment, sunshiny Wilmington, Delaware. Thank you.
Shop Delaware Cadillac for your new Cadillac and watch us on YouTube for all the latest Cadillac reviews and offers.